Hi, my name is Rochak Raghav and I'm working as a sales head in Thinkgenix LLP. We are basically a learning and education based company. We provide workshops and training, are working on two hardware, that is Raspberry Pi and Microbit. So they're both UK manufactured hardware and we're developing different applications. We can actually teach students how they're manufactured. As you can see, these are the applications that we have designed and they're working on Raspberry Pi and Microbit. And these products actually help learn basic programming. And we have developed a few more kits like a home automation kit, and we have developed smartphone based on Raspberry Pi, which actually shows how a smartphone works. There's one more advantage of using Raspberry Pi. When you purchase a laptop, you'll purchase it for 35 or 40,000. But this Raspberry Pi can do everything and more in just like 3,500 to 4,000. So it's like 10 times cheaper, and it's cost effective, and you can use it. You can learn programming, actually relate yourself to the real world by learning new applications, not just the kids. We go to the university level and the organization level.